Have you ever wondered about the origins and global celebrations of Eid al-Fitr? Eid al-Fitr, also known as the Festival of Breaking the Fast, is a significant occasion celebrated by millions around the world. But where did it all begin? Let's journey back in time to the 7th century in the Arabian Peninsula. In the heart of the desert, in a city known as Medina, the Prophet Muhammad introduced Eid al-Fitr. It was after the first sighting of the new moon following the holy month of Ramadan, marking the end of a month-long period of fasting and spiritual reflection. The Prophet Muhammad established this day as a time of feasting and giving thanks to Allah for the strength to complete the fast. Fast forward to the present day, and Eid al-Fitr has evolved into a global celebration of unity, gratitude, and generosity. Across the continents, from the bustling streets of Cairo to the serene landscapes of Indonesia, the spirit of Eid al-Fitr is a vibrant thread in the fabric of human culture. In the Middle East, Eid al-Fitr begins with the Salat al-Eid, a special prayer performed in congregation. The day continues with a festive meal, where traditional dishes like ma'mul, a sweet pastry filled with dates or nuts, take center stage. As we move further east to South Asia, you'll find the celebration of Eid al-Fitr infused with local traditions. In Pakistan and India, for instance, henna art becomes a popular way of expressing joy and festivity. In Africa, particularly in countries like Nigeria and Senegal, the day is marked by vibrant parades and traditional music and dance, showcasing the continent's rich cultural diversity. In the Western Hemisphere, in countries like the United States and Canada, Eid al-Fitr is a testament to the multicultural fabric of these societies. Mosques host community meals, and charity events are often organized to support the less fortunate, reflecting the core values of Eid al-Fitr. So what have we learned today? From its humble beginnings in the city of Medina, Eid al-Fitr has grown into a global celebration that transcends geographical boundaries. It's a day of unity, gratitude, and generosity, deeply rooted in the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. Across the world, it's celebrated with prayers, feasting, charity, and a blend of local customs, reflecting the diversity of the Muslim community worldwide. Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast, is indeed a beautiful expression of human unity and shared values. It's a testament to the fact that despite our differences, there are values and traditions that bring us together. And so as the new moon rises, marking the end of Ramadan and the beginning of Eid al-Fitr, millions around the world come together in a spirit of celebration, gratitude, and generosity.